I was doing some research today, and I think you all might like to know something very important to human life. So here it is. At 1:02 and 3 seconds on April 5th, which is tomorrow, a little thing that only happens once every 100 years will take place. But this one is special, unlike any in the past ever, and unlike any that will ever come again. See if you were smart enough. The first sentence tells you that funny part, which is follows: 01, 02, 03, 04, 05, 06. Now you get it. But that's not why this is special. It's a very eerie and strange thing that was first predicted over 5,000 years ago by the Mayan calendar. No matter what you learn in school, we base our time off of the Mayan calendar. But it shows all of the 9 planets in a perfect line, measuring from the center of each planet, and this gets even deeper. The Mayan calendar ends on 12/21/2012, 6 years from now. Egyptian scholars, Greek prophets, Asian monks, and prophets from almost every other culture in our past have stated that on this date, a chain reaction will be set in motion to play out the event of December 21st, 2012. What does that date represent, you ask? Well, on that date, no joke, 11:11 p.m., all 9 planets, the sun, every moon, and every planet will be 7.5 inches off of being in a straight line, 7.85 to be exact. They'll be in this line for 3 minutes and 36 seconds. Now, if you add the number of seconds in 3 minutes and 36 seconds, you get 216 seconds. 216 is the perfect number in Jewish mysticism and in original Christianity. It is known as nature's number because all things natural can in one way or another be brought to 216. In the Jewish calendar, 2012 is the year 5,773, all odd numbers. If you multiply 5 times 7, it equals 35. 35 times 7, 245. 245 times 3, 735. Think about this. If you divide the year 5773 by the sum of the equation above, which is 735, 5,773 divided by 735 equals 7.85. That's the exact distance that every celestial object in the universe will in our galaxy will be away from a perfect line. And this will last for 216 seconds. Modern scientists have openly stated that on 12/21/2012 there will be some sort of unimaginable natural disaster, and it's more than a possibility, it's almost a fact. The gravity alone is going to do a lot of damage, and a lot of outside scientists agree that it may put all of the planetary rotations on new orbits. This would change the climates rapidly all over the world. If you know about Jupiter, then you know about the red storm that has been circling Jupiter as long as we could see it. Now, scientists know that it is a direct effect of Saturn's gravity on Jupiter when they come as close to each other as we are to the Sun every 32 years or so. Imagine what all the gravity in our solar system is going to do when it is spread equally over all the planets. Now, God created existence in 6 days, rested on the 7th. Who are we to say that a day to us is a day to God? Maybe a day to us is a year maybe a day to Him is a year to us. 2006 to 2012. This is the most outstanding part of all of this starting on 1/2/03/04/05/06. We will have 6 years, 7 days, 8 months, 9 minutes, 10 seconds, and 11 hours until 12/12/12/12/12/12. If you divide 12 by 2, you get 6. Now, if you put 12 and 6 together, it comes out to be 216. If you put it in a certain order. And I only mention this because at 12:12 p.m. on 12/21/2012, 1 hour after the planets are in line, 216 hours will have passed, and scientists believe that the effects of the solar rarity will be felt approximately 1 hour after they fall in line.